Hi friends, today's literacy lesson we are going to notice and discriminate smaller units of sound. So for first we're going to hear and show awareness of separate words in a sentence. So I want you to copy what I say, okay? And we're going to clap it out like this. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. So do you hear all the separate words? I like ice cream. Okay. I like cake. I like cake. Ooh, 3. I went to play outside. I went to play outside. I love school. I love school. I love school. Do you love school? I hope you love school. Now we're going to clap the syllables in your name, and we've been practicing, haven't we, in our live classes on Zoom. So let's clap out some names. Cynthia. Cynthia. Miss Kristen. Miss Kristen. 3. Let's do Henry. Henry. Let's do Rylan. Rylan. Let's do Mr. Ryan. Mr. Ryan. Mr. Ryan. How about Kamani? Kamani. Kamani. 3. How about we do Miss Jen? Miss Jen. Miss Jen. 2. How about Layla? Layla. Layla. How many syllables? 2. How about Kieran? Kieran. Kieran. 2. How about Ariana? Ariana. Ariana. 4. How about Amen? Amen. Amen. 2. How about Hayab? Hayab. Hayab. 2. I think we got all our friends. Now another way we could do this is we can break the words up like this. Hold on, I'm gonna lift you guys up a second. There, are you ready? We could say, this is how I do it with my arm. Pen and so, and you put it together and you get pencil. If I say foot and ball, and I put foot and ball together, I get football. Water and melon, put those 2 words together, I get watermelon. Base and ball, baseball. Straw and berry, strawberry. I love strawberries. Sub and way, and you get put together, subway. Snow and man, put it together, snowman. Super and star, put it together, you get superstar. You guys are superstars. All right, so that concludes our lesson on noticing and discriminating smaller units of sound. So when we break the words, the syllables, when we break the words down and we hear them, right? Snow and man, snowman. Pencil, pencil. All right, I'm going to say goodbye. Oh, how many syllables was that? Goodbye. 2. All right, thanks for watching. Goodbye.